your wishes come true. Make your mommy and your daddy oh so proud of you. Jolly birthday to you. May your dreams happen too. This Jollibee kitty party was made just for you.
Alright, one more.
Jolly birthday to you. Happy birthday. Wishes come true. Make your mommy and your daddy oh so proud of you. Jolly birthday to you.
Jolly birthday.
Dreams happen too. This Jollibee kitty party was made just for you.
Alright, Randy, you may blow your candle. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alright, thank you so much. And this time, Cherry. Wey! Wala pa ako naman dyan. And this time, Cherry, nga birthday wishes mo muna. Alright, unahin na natin si Mami.
Birthday wish, good health. Sana, lumaki po.
Wish ko lang sana wish ko sana lumaki siyang masa cupcake. Hello. Yung lang sana lumaki siyang masayahin, maging mabait. Saka lumaki mayaman din.
Alright, pero pa naman natin si Mami and si Daddy. And this time, si best friend Jollibee din daw ay meron daw birthday wishes. How many birthday wishes do you have, best friend Jollibee? Okay, Jollibee, sit down muna sila. Nagpa-birthday wishes daw muna si Jollibee.
Alex.
Alright, how many birthday wishes do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Alright, ang first wish mo ay sana si Hailey ay lumaking bata, maganda, sexy, pretty, flawless. Again, Mami, wow, papa naman natin. And second wish, sana si Hailey ay lumaking bata, rich, mapagbigay sa kapwa. Wow! Tagay ba ni Daddy? Eh! Palakpakan daw po muna! Eh! Hindi naman yung papalakpakan. Third wish! Sana si Hailey ay lumaking bata. Lumaking bata, maabot ang mga pangarap sa buhay. At malayo ang marating. Wow! And fourth wish, sana si Hailey ay lumaking bata, always be happy like best friend Jollibee. What? Parang mga na po, and this time, family picture mo muna sa harap ko na